Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and I'm often asked what makes us the best in the business credit building industry. We are very blessed to have earned the reputation for being the best and leading the way when it comes to technology related to business credit building and giving you the ability to obtain business loans. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you what makes us so unique, what makes our system so much different than anything else that exists today. Through our Finance Suite, we give you the ability to build your business credit. This is how you can obtain credit for your EIN, for your business EIN number that's not linked to your personal Social Security number. This is credit you can obtain without any kind of collateral, regardless of cash flow. Even if you're a startup, you can get approved. And no matter how good or bad your personal credit is, you can obtain business credit because in following our steps through the Finance Suite, we're helping you obtain credit that's linked to your EIN, not your social, so you will not even have to provide a personal credit check to get approved. So the first thing you're going to notice is that our Finance Suite is sleek and it is beautiful. It's actually also completely mobile friendly. So as I condense, as you can see here, the actual screen for a mobile, you also see that the screen condense along with it. So this means you can easily use it from any of your mobile devices. Now, the user experience here is completely customized, which is unlike anything else that exists. So for example, if you have a business name, you simply click yes, and you'll move right on to the actual next step by entering your business name. But if you don't have a business name, you can click no. It pulls up training and information about selecting a business name. You can click to actually search the Secretary of State to find your state and to find how you can actually register that business. You can even check out restricted industries. So all the resources you actually need in the Finance Suite are right here for you. But again, if you already have your business name, your business entity, if you have any of these things set up, you can quickly navigate through the suite because it's a completely customized user experience. Now, on the first step of building business credit, we help you through all aspects of setting up your business credibly. This is something you will not find with any kind of alternative or conventional lender. We're actually teaching you exactly what you need to know to be able to get approved for business loans and for business credit. And again, as you go through, you'll see that, again, the exact same experience of this being completely customized user experience. Now, in step two, we're actually helping you get set up with the business credit reporting agencies. Look, if you try to do these type of things on your own, you're going to have a substantial cost. So for example, to get your phone number listed in 411 that we do for you for free in step one will cost you about $300 a year outside of our suite. I know, because we use the only service out there that helps you actually get listed with 411. We pay for that for our clients so you don't have to. If you were to pay for it using the same service, you'd pay about $30 a month, which is about $300 plus per year that you save as part of using the Finance Suite. In step two, you continue to save even more money because we help you check to see if you're set up with the business credit reporting agencies. We even help you navigate through and get your Dun & Bradstreet number for free. Now, you can contact Dun & Bradstreet and get your number for free, but you'll often see that they'll go through a sales pitch selling you something for $800 to $2,000 to actually establish your initial business credit profile and score. You don't have to pay that through the Finance Suite because we're helping you access real accounts that report to the business credit reporting agencies. So you'll be set up with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax all without having to pay any of the reporting agencies a fee to actually do so. So again, this easily saves you $1,000 in costs that you don't have to spend by actually having access to the Finance Suite. And the savings continue because you can also access your Experian Smart Business Access or data right through the Finance Suite itself. You can check to see if you're set up with Experian, and you can also actually monitor your business credit building through the process as you're building your business credit. So if, for example, you don't want to pay for credit monitoring as you go through the actual business credit building process, you don't need to. If you try to build business credit on your own, or if you use any other solution that's out there, you're going to have to pay for credit monitoring. You have to monitor to see accounts getting put on your credit report so you'll know when to start applying for the next tier of credit. But through the Finance Suite, we integrate directly with Experian Smart Business. It's the only kind of integration that exists of its kind. And this lets you see how many trade lines you have. Do you have a credit profile? profile? Do you have a score plus so you can monitor your trade lines without having to pay for credit monitoring if you choose not to, which saves you another $600. This is important to note because the reality is if you build business credit on your own, you're going to spend the same or more money with these kind of services that are included in the finance suite as the finance suite will cost your investment with us to begin with. So it'll actually cost you more to try to build your own business credit than using the finance suite because of things like 411 helping you get set up with Dun& Bradstreet without paying and without having to actually pay for Experience Smart Business Access that you get right here as part of the finance suite. Now we continue on by helping you access real vendor accounts while building your business credit. Now another thing that makes us very, very, very unique that you're not going to find out there is yes, we can tell you that QUILL, for example, is an account that you can use to build your business credit. But the problem is if you don't know the underwriting guidelines for QUILL, you're not going to be successful in getting approved. So there are some business credit companies out there that will actually charge you a fee and will tell you the accounts to apply for like QUILL, won't tell you the order to apply, and there won't give you the underwriting guidelines. We're giving you the underwriting guidelines so you'll know how to get approved before you even apply. This is a really big deal. And another big deal is that this information is completely up to date. We have a team that goes through and makes sure that all this information is up to date. We contact each one of these creditors regularly or credit issuers regularly to make sure that what we have in our finance suite is completely up to date and accurate. We even add more and more and more accounts every single day that you're not going to find on any other platform. All of this is unique to our actual finance suite. Now we're then going to help you access your business credit reports through the reporting agencies if you do want to obtain business credit, and we continue to give you access. Finance suite will actually tell you what's recommended and what's not based on how many trade lines you have. Again, it's a completely customized user experience. So as you navigate through the finance suite and get approved for more and more accounts, then more and more accounts open up and are available for you. This is a really big deal because so many people build business credit where they fail is they start applying for all kinds of accounts in the wrong order. They get a business credit building system that tells them that Staples is a starter vendor. They apply for Staples, they get denied. It causes all kinds of frustrations. The art of building business credit is to do it based on certain tiers. You have to apply for certain credit in certain orders. So not only do we map out the exact tiers of credit that you should apply for in what orders, but we even block out and tell you the ones that you're not qualified for as you're going through and building your business credit. This removes the frustration. It removes the roadblocks of building business credit because you come in, you start getting accounts approved in round one. Those actually report on your business credit reports. More and more accounts open up. So this way you'll be able to access large amounts of credit at places like Amazon and Staples and Lowe's and Home Depot and Macy's and on and on and on. But you'll be able to do it in a way where you know you'll get approved. You're able to see the underwriting guidelines. You're able to see the ones that you're qualified for based on what's in your business credit reports now and avoid the ones that you're not qualified for. This really expedites the business credit building process. So if you're looking to obtain money quickly, well, this is exactly how we get it done. And if you're looking to obtain money when you just simply cannot qualify for a business loan, again, this is exactly how we get it done. Let me show you why we're so different. First of all, most other companies that you'll find, whether in the lending space or business credit building space, don't have the kind of technology that you're seeing here or anything close to this kind of streamlined technology. Of the ones that do use any kind of technology, it's grossly outdated. As a matter of fact, it's often the actual old original software that we used 16 years ago. So it's grossly outdated. We're using the most up-to-date technology with the most up-to-date information. Let me show you. This is the technology we used to use when we first started building business credit. And this is a lot of the technology if you actually try to hire another business credit building company that you often can pay for, even $1,000 to $2,000 for something that's grossly outdated. So let me show you where the faults are. First of all, a lot of this information isn't accurate. These vendors, you can't even get initial business credit building with, even though they're in the early stages saying that you actually can. There's a lot of sources in here that don't even report, and you can see that these don't even report. So they don't obviously help you build your business credit because they're actually blended in with the other accounts and they don't even report. And again, a lot of these sources don't even offer these type of accounts anymore. They're not even able, or you don't even have the ability to come in and actually get approved even if you try. So imagine starting to build business credit and starting to apply for staples and getting denied, and apply for print country and realize they don't even have a starter vendor account, and going in and getting approved finally with an account like this and waiting months just to realize that they don't even report to the business credit reporting agencies. These are exactly the frustrations that so many people that try to go a cheap way and build business credit through another solution face. And this is why so many people fail. Not to mention that you'll see how all of this is text. Everything involved in our old system was all text. There's no video. There's no education walking through in a streamlined fashion. And what makes it worse is none of it is mobile friendly. So if we come here, for example, and try to condense the screen, you can see that unlike our system, this one cannot be condensed. This is what you're looking at in your screen. And the problem there is that then, can you imagine on your mobile having to go left to right every time you're trying to look at any information? This is what grossly outdated technology will get you. So a dramatic difference from what you see in our system. So for example, this is the information on setting up your phone number and your 411 and your fax number in our older technology. Some of the same technology that you're going to pay for a fee for out there today. Look at this. It's all text. It's all writing. Can you imagine reading through this entire thing just to be able to set up your phone number with 411? Now let me give you a comparison. This is how we help you set up your phone number with 411. Do you have your business phone number? Yes or no? If yes, would you like it submitted with 411? You see how simple this is. If you don't have a phone number, you click no, you get video training on exactly what you need to know. You even can access resources to get set up with a company that can help you with the phone. Look at the difference here. How crisp, clean, easy to use, easy to navigate to get the information you need compared to a solution that's not so much. So this is the difference between success and failure when it comes to building your business credit. And this is exactly why we're the best in the industry for offering business credit. So again, we continue to go through the process, help you get tiers credit with fleet credit, all different types of access to revolving credit for your business, and do so in a way that you'll actually get approved. But another thing that makes our finance suite so unique is that you can also get business financing through the finance suite as well. So you can come in, and as you enter your qualifying information, it'll tell you all of the financing that you can actually qualify for. For collateral based type financing that doesn't require any kind of personal credit, or doesn't require cash flow to get approved, to cash flow financing that you can get approved for regardless of your personal credit, regardless of whether you have collateral, all the way to unsecured financing that you can get approved for with no collateral and no cash flow. If your business has a strength, you can get approved for all different kinds of financing, where you can come in from private money to venture capital to unsecured 0% business credit cards and lines, all the way to long-term loans like alternative SBA loans, and more. It's all available. You can get financing to buy equipment, to buy inventory. You can get money that you need to be able to hire employees and to do marketing and do all the things you need to do. So the finance suite's unique because it combines these two powerful elements. You could build your business credit, and you can also obtain financing. You can go through the business credit builder to obtain credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social, so you can get credit quickly regardless of cash flow credit or collateral. Or if you have a business strength, you can come in here and get business financing as well. And to round all of this out, you also get access to your own program where you can offer business credit financing as a product and service. Now, maybe you want to do this, maybe you won't, but you have that option with us. We have enrollment options where you can come in and own your own business credit financing business, where you can add clients and manage clients, and you can come in and go through the exact training you need to actually build business credit. You can access an abundance of resources from all different types of marketing resources, training resources that you need to be successful. So we actually help put you in the business of offering business credit financing if you want to be in the business of offering business credit financing. And even if you don't, then you still come in and get access to a full business credit builder and a financing program. As a reseller, you get access to everything you'll need to be successful, from marketing articles and seminars and ebooks and flyers and email content, social media content, contracts, sales tools, tools, everything you'd need to be successful. But again, even if you don't, you still have access to the best business credit building and financing technology that exists today. But that's not all really at the heart of what makes our system so successful. What makes it truly, truly successful is our actual coaching team behind it. What we found is that do-it-yourself business credit building systems really don't produce the best results. A lot of people get stuck along the way and they give up. So what we've done is given you access to the most intensive, most concierge coaching that ever existed in the business credit area. This is why we have so much success. This is why we don't have any complaints at all about our company from any client that's ever worked with us. This is why we have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. You can come to our website, hit or actually click the credibility link and see all types of things from our 5-star rating with Trustpilot with tons of reviews and see actual client testimonials and hear from them about all of their actual success. This is why you can come in and see our A rating with the Better Business Bureau, actual tons of funding case studies. This is exactly why we've been on Inc. and Entrepreneur, why we've been featured in so many different places, in Forbes and all different kind of radio shows and blog posts and magazines along the way. This is what's got our system so much notoriety. For everything I'm showing you in this video, you can see actual business credit results and so much more on this actual credibility page. There's so many things that separate us from any other company that exists. The ability to get business credit and financing in one place, the ability to actually offer business credit financing as a service if you'd like to do so, our superior technology, how it's mobile friendly so you can build business credit on the go, how we have the most up-to-date information because we have a team behind it that researches this actual information, how your actual process is customized to your own user experience, helping you navigate through the business credit building and financing process quickly without getting stuck along the way. And most importantly, getting to work with our business advisors, our finance officers, and our finance processors who have tens of years of experience helping customers build business credit and getting financing so you don't get stuck along the way. When you get started with us, our business advisors will call you 5 times in the first 5 days alone to help you go through the initial process of getting set up to help you get money quickly. And that's why our process is so successful, because we are focused. We are obsessed with helping you obtain the most amount of capital for your business as quickly as you possibly can. And we do so by all the aspects that you see in this video. Going through and helping you build business credit for your EN that's not linked to your social. Helping you obtain this kind of credit quickly by working with our business advisors who hold your hand through each step of the process. Helping you also access business financing for your business based on your business strengths so you can get the most amount of money quickly. We even have finance officers that shop the terms for you and use the power of all the funding we bring to these lenders to negotiate to get you the best terms. All of these things are 100% completely unique to Credit Suite and to the actual Business Finance Suite program. So if you ever wondering, why wouldn't you build business credit on your own? Or wondering what makes us so different than any other solution today, now you know. Because trying to build business credit on your own is a cumbersome process that will cost you more money than you can do with us anyways, because of so many cool things you get at no cost as part of the actual Finance Suite. And we are so different because we do so many of these things that just no other company or product has thought of or done. And we are superior in the technology and our team behind it to help you have the greatest amount of success with obtaining credit financing for your business as quickly as you possibly can. So again, this is Ty with Credit Suite. Thanks for checking out this video, and hopefully now you know what makes us the best in the business credit building world.